Welcome to Lab 4.3, Guess Who? In this lab, you'll create a list of names and then look through the list, pulling out different subsets of the names. Okay, so first we're going to create a list of names with at least 6 different names. Try to vary them as much as possible. So we know how to make a list. We go to Variables, and we bring a list down. And let's start making names. Shara, Drasia, Quinton, Hector, Stephen, and Richard. Okay, now that we have 6 names, that was easy, right? Let's see. Now, first we have 6 names, and write a snap script to welcome each person to the program by name, one at a time. For example, welcome John. Make sure not to modify the list of names when you run the script. You'll want the list later. Also make sure the script still works even if the list of names changes. Okay. So let us actually make a variable, and we'll call it names. We're going to assign this, we're going to set this list to the variable names. I think you can just do it like this. Okay. So now we're going to set names to this list. And now we want to say hello. Let's control it by green flag is clicked. And I want to say hello to each person. So let us first start by saying hello to Jashara. And to do that, we need to get an item. So which item? What we're going to have to do is make a loop, because I want this item to change. Item 1, item 2, item 3, all the way to item 6. I want to say hello each time. So instead of getting 6 say hello statements, I want to only make one, but make a loop. So let's make a loop. So the loop will be repeat until. So we're going to repeat this until the length of names so we want to repeat this until that happens. So, okay, how do we want to do this? We want to count each time that we're going through. So we're going to make another variable called counter. And this counter is going to start off, and we want to set it equal to 1. Let's set counter to 1. Okay? And then we're going to repeat this until the counter, we want to count every time we say hello to someone, we want to change that counter by 1. We want it to go up. But we don't want it to go forever. We only want it to go as far as the length of the whole list, the length of names. So let's figure out how to do that. We want to say repeat until counter is equal to length of names. So we go to operators. And we say counter is equal to length of names. Right? So we want to repeat this until the counter is equal to the length of names. So we're going to say hello, and then we're going to make the counter go up by 1. But who do we want to say hello to? We want to say hello to item 1. And in order to do that, we need to join 2 things. So first we're going to say hello, capital hello, right? Hello. And we're not going to do item 1, we're going to do item counter, because the counter is going to change each time. And that's how we say hello to a different person each time. So the first time around, it'll say hello to Jashar. The second time, it'll say hi to Jerasia. Let's see if that works. Whoops. I cannot read. Oh, I have to put names in there. Now we can do it. Hello, Jashar. Hello, Jerasia. Hello, Quentin. All right, that works. Now let's see the next step.